Good morning, everyone. I am William from Business, William from Showbiz in the Facebook platform. I am Cameroonian content creator. We want to make this discover in the Limbe country. Yes, Limbe in the Cameroon country. Cameroon country of the southwest of Cameroon. This is the Limbe, southwest of Cameroon. See this building. See this mountain. See this paysage in the Limbe country, the southwest of Cameroon. Limbe, oh la la, Limbe the beautiful, Limbe the wonderful, my people. See the Limbe, Limbe of Cameroon, Limbe of Cameroon, the wonderful, of Cameroon, the beautiful, the sud-ouest of Cameroon. See the Limbe. Okay, thank you for you, my people. Goodbye.